Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In today's video, I'll show you guys how can you fix not eligible for Pinterest on the Pinterest app itself. So if you are displayed with this sort of, if your Pinterest app displayed this sort of information or a message or a notification, then what you need to do is in order to fix it. So it usually means you haven't met the age requirement, that being at least 13 years old, and need to verify your date of birth within your account settings. So if you already have an account, then what you could do is go ahead and open up your Pinterest app first thing, and then next what you want to do is go to this profile settings at the bottom right hand side corner. Then you want to go to this three dot icon and then go to settings, after which go to edit profile, and here you want to go ahead and make sure to enter in your date of birth, or you could just go ahead and make changes with your date of birth if so. So go to the personal information from the account management, and here you have this date of birth. So you go ahead and make changes with your date of birth. That should be able to fix this as well. If you're still unable to fix it, then you could check for an update. So for that, you want to head over to your Play Store, and then on the search box you want to type in Pinterest. If you see update, that means you have to go ahead and update your application, and that should be able to fix it as well. If updating won't help, then you could also try clearing your cache as well as data. You just have to long press on the Pinterest app, go to this app info section, and then here you want to go to storage and cache. Make sure to clear cache as well as clear storage, and however, clearing your storage will delete all of your data. If you only want to do it so, then just click the OK button. Otherwise, just leave it as it is, and then you could restart your application. At the same time, you could also go ahead and reinstall your application and then restart your device. That will be able to help you out to fix not eligible for Pinterest on Pinterest app. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.